welcome to Wealth Abundance course where we'll learn about wealth creation secrets and how we can be disciplined about money and wealth so that we can have a lot of wealth and freedom in our life, super freedom. So let's go to our the content of our program, which is first is wealth mindset. We'll go through it. Then we'll go through super six principles for building wealth. Then proven secrets of wealth creation and freedom. And then we'll go to set your monthly income goals clearly. Start reading the affirmations daily. Goal writing daily. Ancient Babylon wealth secrets and stock market long-term wealth management. And we'll go to true freedom wealth creation and then rejections. So let us go through wealth mindset. As per Einstein said that I stayed with problems longer than that makes me Einstein. Like it's like when we face problems we stay longer than the normal people. What happens that if you stay with the problem, what will happen that you will become a scientist in your field. So like you stay with the problems, you understand them, and then eventually you will solve. So then we'll go to sustained thinking. What is sustained thinking? Sustained focus on a problem. You have a sustained thinking on you focus properly so that you find actual loopholes, you solve that problem, defocus on that problem. Okay, so we'll go through these concepts and then we'll integrate all these concepts so that we achieve the objective. Bruce Lee also said that a great warrior is an average man with laser-like focus. Like it's all about focus. That's why in 360 mindfulness, go watch all those videos and practice daily practice meditation and focus. So that when you have a laser focus, like he says, average man with a laser focus. That is the essence of if you want to get anything done, so you need to be laser focused. Okay, how many hours a day you operate with laser like focus? It is a question that how many hours in a day you focus, like laser focused you are on any problem you're solving, any project you are. Focus is your ultimate weapon in your quest for greatness. Okay, and constantly being bombarded with distractions. There are a lot of distractions. So first, let's understand how we'll be focused. What are distractions? Once we know what are distractions, what will happen? That we'll know what is focus. Emails. As I have already asked you, go to unroll.me and unsubscribe all the emails. You will get Slack, Skype, social media, phone, text. Delete all unnecessary notifications and all. Go to unroll.me and remove unsubscribe all emails which are unnecessary for you. So once you do that, so you will get a lot of time. You will not outsource your attention to social media and all those technologies which are unnecessary. If it is necessary, then use that. Okay, so now we'll go to the super six key principles of building wealth. So understand the purpose of money. So when you have to understand the purpose of money. It's money, like you need to remove the belief system of money is not good, money is bad, and all those negative emotions. Remove that. Money is a problem solving machine. Okay, it solves a lot of problems of your life. Okay, food, clothing, whatever activities we are doing in life, it solves major problems. So it is not a bad thing. Remove that inside belief, or somebody has told you about it, like parents, or some people say money is a bad thing. It is not a bad, it is a problem solving machine. Okay, commodity. It is a commodity, it is an energy. Okay, eating a dollar bill won't do you any good. Okay, at the end of day, money represents the measure of value. It is a value. It is not a greedy thing. It's the value you give and you value you receive. The difference between the rich and the poor is the ability to build value, and is build the ability to build value and wealth. Okay, if the point is to build as much as value as possible, how should we invest our time? It is very important that we will not invest our 24 hours something which is not valuable. Okay, we'll invest in something where we'll get the value. Better yet, how should we spend our money? So you need to understand the purpose of money. Money is a value, energy. It's a problem solving machine. Identify the common wealth pitfalls. You need to understand what are the common pitfalls. Do research about it. What are the common, like you consume a lot of you have impulses for purchasing, you have a lot of junk at home, a lot of unnecessary stuff you buy, and because you have those emotional impulses, so you need to be very conscious when you're spending money. Earning money is simple, but managing money is difficult. So you need to be conscious about all these things. Where you are spending, like credit cards. Are you using credit cards for something which you have to pay interest there, also pay interest there, and then the product which you bought has no value for your life. It was an impulse. So you need to identify all those pitfalls, what are the problems, and you can write those comments in the section below, that what are your pitfalls, common wealth pitfalls which you are facing. Knowing how wealth grows, you need to know how wealth grows. Okay, building wealth is less about how much money you earn than how much money you keep. Okay, how much money you keep. And like, remember when I mentioned net worth earlier, it is fundamental key of building wealth. Net worth is equal to total assets minus total liabilities. Okay, this is a formula, remember this. And an asset is anything that you owe much, which maintains value and can bring you future cash flow. Okay, a liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. When you look at your expenses, are you acquiring assets or liabilities? You need to understand these things, that are you acquiring liabilities or you're acquiring assets. So you need to invest your time, your resources into something intelligent, like you need to make intelligent decisions. Realize financial independence is possible only when you track your net worth, maximize your income, minimize your liabilities, and make money works for you in your business, in your investments. So you need to track, analyze always. Okay, so this is how you will achieve independence of finance. Minimizing liabilities is like, if you are giving rent, you should buy a home. Heating, electricity, utility, these are expenses, liabilities. Food expenses, loan expenses, loan interest, NPA loan, insurance costs, mortgage payments, uncertainty expense. Liabilities are the reasons why you work hard. Don't feel any richer for it. Like for liabilities, you should not feel rich. Okay. So debts, but there are some good debts, there are some bad debts. So let's understand how to maximize assets. So your wealth is dependent upon what you do with your money. Okay, poor people tend to spend their money on liabilities, and rich people invest in assets. Okay, that's the difference. When you purchase an asset with the goal of increasing your future income, you are investing. Here are some of the benefits of investing. Earn money while sleeping, protect against inflation, better returns than saving account. Okay, tax advantages. Here are some different types of investment: stock markets, index funds, exchange trade funds, ETFs, bonds, certificate of deposit, real estate. So you need to invest into assets rather than liabilities. Okay, so we'll go to the next section, next video, where we'll learn proven secrets of wealth creation and freedom.